Hi, Miss Shamsi.
Hola!
Happy arrival.
Thank you.
I'm so glad you made it just in the nick of time. Miss Shamsi, a few hours na lang, preliminary competition na. How do you feel about, with everything you've seen so far, what do you feel about Chelsea at the moment?
I'm so excited for her. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, before she left Manila, sabi ko, oh, I'll be coming and watching you and cheering for you. And you know what I love about Chelsea talaga? She's very endearing. And I think nag-shine yun during the closed door. So, itong prelims na lang, this is another step, very important kasi dito pinipili na yung first cut eh. So, I hope that she plays through the runway, di ba? And kayang-kaya ni Chelsea yun, magaling siya maglakad, magaling siya mag-post. So, I'm just excited for her.
You know what I discovered about her in my in my almost 3-week coverage here? Kasi hindi ko naman siya hindi nakita ko naman siya sa MUP kasi but we have our own bets. Although, she emerged as a ultimate dark horse. She's charming pala no, in person.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng mukha niya. So, I-realize na, ang taas pa rin ng cheekbones niya.
And tapos, I don't know. I think you really have to get to know her personally and see her in person kasi iba ang dating ng isang Chelsea Manalo.
Alam mo, yung sinabi mo, nagko-corroborate sa mga naririnig ko sa loob. Like, she's well-liked by her fellow candidates. Meron din nasasabing magagandang things sa kanya about yung mga members ng organization. So ano no. Pero what do you think about her? Do you think she'll perform? Kasi like ko sinasabi sa vlog ko kanina, she has to perform. She has to perform. Dami niya kalamatumbahing Latina. Ikaw, how do you feel po? Ganun po ba? Or do you think a calm and collected demeanor or strategy later will still work for her too?
Of course, all we can do is pray for her. Let's hope that everything goes as planned. And wag tayo masyadong mag-pressure. Kasi the more we pressure the candidate, the more na magkakaroon ng jitters, magkakaroon ng self-doubt. And I think she doesn't need that right now. What she needs is for us to believe in her. Because, she already did her homework, nag-training na siya, marami na siya pinagdaanan. And I think all she needs now is our love and support for her preliminary competition.
Yeah. Totoo yun. Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba tayo mag-support sa kanya without great expectations? So pag nag-support ba tayo, kailangan kailangan mag-top 5 ka, ganyan.
Well, alam mo naman, ang Filipino fans, di ba? But, ang magagawa lang talaga natin at this point talaga is to really pray for her. And sabi naman niya, prayers talaga. And just to send her good vibes online. For sure, nababasa naman ni Chelsea lahat ng inyong mga support and love for her. So, ituloy-tuloy lang natin. And if it's her destiny, it's hers, diba? So, ang 50% lang is on the hands of our candidates. 50%, sabi ko nga, yan yung out of your control, out of your hands. Yan yung mga, it's either, preference yan ng judges, and of course, the audience, merong impact din yan, host country. So, maraming factors that can affect the results. But the most important thing is, she doesn't have to mind all of that. She just have to mind herself and how she performs on stage. And wherever she feels comfortable, basta happy siya sa performance niya, that's it. Sa akin, yun ang
sarili lang niya. Huwag niyang iisipin kasi kailangan makipagbardagulan siya sa mga Latinas kasi nga sa Latin territory. Wag ganon.
Dapat
Kasi you've been through that kind of situation before. You competed in a Latin country.
Yeah.
Managed to beat all the Latinas along the way.
So it's not really about, kasi mahirap kapag parang pinagpumpog natin yung mga kandidata against each other. I don't think it should be, the competition shouldn't be like that. Parang, iba-iba kayo ng path, iba-iba kayo ng journey. So, hindi kailangan na head-to-head ka talaga sa malalakas or kung sino man ang malakas kasi you'll never know. Minsan yung nasa isip natin na sila yung frontrunner. Sometimes perception lang yon ng karamihan online, but we're not there in person, like during the closed door interview, during the preliminary. So parang iba pa rin talaga pag live, guys, iba. Like sometimes hindi nakaka-capture ng camera what's really happening in real life. So, yan yung mga factors na dapat i-consider din natin na wala tayo doon. So,
Ako-
hindi natin alam.
Ako, ang basis ko lang yung mga aura-aura niya sa elevator lobby. Sa paglabas, yun lang talaga. Ang baba, however shallow it is, yun na yung basis ko. Pero dapat nga, there should be, I know it's beyond than that.
Oo. Tsaka, yun nga, parang every year may surprises also, di ba? So, ngayon din may mga pagbabago sa Miss Universe. So, I'm also excited to see what happens today. Kung ano yung, ang daming girls din, di ba? It's 100.
27 na. 20,
wow,
oo.
that's a lot of girls. Noong time ko, 80 lang yata. So, exciting. And basta let's just support Chelsea kasi ito na, laban to ng
Oh,
Pilipinas.
sana mag-shine siya talaga. Kung ano yung aura niya nung MUP finals tsaka nung prelims, kaya bang matransmit yun mamaya? Yun lang, no? Kaya.
Let's manifest that.
Oo.
Let's aim for that.
Oo. Sige, thank you, Miss Shamsi.
Thank you.
Great catching up with you po. Enjoy your stay po in Mexico.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.